Hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima Jyoti here. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials at affordable ranges. Okay, so today we have come up with some linen blended sarees. Okay, with different types of fancy printing like batik printing, Pochampalli printing, and also some floral printings. Okay, I have some 11 sarees around. All these sarees are priced at 900. Shipping is extra outside the festival offer period. Right now we are having some festival offer period. So until Monday, okay, we have extended till Monday. So until Monday, the free shipping all over India for all the prepaid orders, okay, and also discounts applicable. Discount ranges for every purchase above 3000, we have some 10% discount, and also for every purchase above 5000, we have 15% discount, and for every purchase above 8000, we have 20% discount, okay, along with the free shipping. These offers are applicable only for the prepaid orders, okay. We have the cash on delivery also. Cash on delivery or processing charges, you have to calculate 100 rupees extra. So per order you have to calculate the total product cost plus the total shipping charges plus 100 rupees for cash on delivery. So we will go with the products now. Hi all, hi, good morning. So these are all linen blended sarees, okay, very soft sarees only. So all of them are very soft sarees only. The first one we are going to show is the batik printed. It's a green color, okay, grass green color. This is how the printing will be there. You have the borders in the contrast color and also the pallu in contrast color. So this is the full look of the saree. Okay, so this is grass green color. This is how the saree will be looking. So whoever wants the saree, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a grass green color with black combination. So this is how the pallu will be looking, and you have the contrast printed blouse. Okay, all of them are printed. This is the first saree priced at 900. It's a grass green color. This is the full look of the saree. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. Grass green color, batik printed. Okay, priced at 900. So the same design we have in other colors. So second one is a purple shade. So it's a purple color. So this is how the saree will be looking. You have the black combination again, and this is the body part. It's a batik printed. I will show you how the saree will be looking. So this is a purple shade with black combination. So this is the body part and this is the pallu. You have the contrast pallu along with the contrasting blouse piece. Okay, all of them are batik printed. The fabric is linen blend, very soft saree, easy to drape. You can wash it regularly. Okay, so this is the purple saree. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. We have mentioned the WhatsApp number and also the direct link of the WhatsApp in the description. You can cross verify the description as well. So this is a light chocolate brown color. So this is how the color will be. So this is how the color will be. Okay, it's a light chocolate brown color. With black combination. This batik prints comes with a black combination. Okay. So 4 sarees in batik print. This is the third saree. It's a light chocolate brown shade, chocolate color with black combination. So this is the full look of the saree. Please take the screenshots. Okay. So this is the next one. All the sarees are priced at 900. Okay. So this is the fourth saree in batik. Don't go with the numbers. So this is a shade of a blue, steel blue shade. Okay. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a steel blue. Okay. This is the body part with black combination. You have the contrast blouse as well. The total meter is 6.3. So this is how the saree will be looking when you drape it. Okay, so this is steel blue shade with black combination, very lovely fabric. Okay, lightweight. and also very easy to drape, easy to maintain. That's just linen blend sarees. So this is the next one. You have in floral printing, a black color with tussar combination. A very lovely saree. A black with tussar combination. This is the body part and pallu part. You have the fancy tassels as well in the pallu. So this is the body part. It's a black color floral printing. I will show you a detailed look. Yeah. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a black color floral printed, black with tussar combination, very lovely saree, and also the blouse piece comes in the tussar shape. Okay. So you have the floral, fancy tassels in the pallu for all the sarees. All the sarees are priced at 900. So please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So this is the next color, white with tussar with floral prints. Okay, all of them are printing. So this is the next color with the pallu and also the body part. Okay, the fabric is linen blend. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's ivory white color. Okay, so this is a full look. This is the pallu. This is the pallu, and you have the blouse piece in tussar shade. Okay, priced at 900. Very nice fabric, very soft fabric as well. Okay. So the next we have Pochambali design. Okay. So the next comes the Pochambali design. Yellow with maroon combination. So this is the saree look. Okay. All of them are printed. So this is the body part. Priced at 900. We have the festival offer until Monday. Free shipping all over India for all the products. So this is the look of the saree. It's a yellow with maroon shade. Okay. So please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So the next one, same design in orange color. So this is how the saree will be looking. The same design, same kind of a printing, but in orange color. Okay, orange with black combination. The wash can be done normal. Okay, it's a regular wash saree. So this is the full look of the saree. Orange with black combination. You have the contrast blouse, same as the border and the pallu color. So this is the blouse piece design. Okay, with the same Pochambali design. So this is the saree will be looking. So for all the orders and inquiries, please WhatsApp at 9150556870 along with the screenshot. So the next one is a brown with black combination. So this is the design you have in the saree. So this is the body part. Okay, the fabric will be very soft. You can see the fabric, I hope. So this is the full look of the saree. Brown with black combination with very lovely design, Pochambali design. Okay, and also the blouse piece coming in the black color with Pochambali design. Okay, price at 900. Shipping is extra. Even if you drape it, this will be looking very nice. Okay, so it will be very easily blendable. Okay, everything, it will be very soft also. So the next one, same design in green color, green with black. So this is how the saree will be looking. All the sarees are priced at 900. We have the free shipping offer till Monday. Okay, 26th October till we be having the free shipping offer and also the discounts. So all the products free shipping across India. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra. So for cash on delivery offer is also available. So it's a green color with Pochambali work. It's all printed design. Okay, so this is the last saree for today. It's a sandal with tussar shade. Okay, with leaf printed. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a sandal, okay, a mild sandal color with tussar combination. Or the saree fabric is linen blend. So this is the full look of the saree. Okay, it's a sandal color with tussar combination. You have the blouse piece contrasted to this saree. Okay, so this is the last saree for today's live. All the sarees which we displayed today is priced at 900. So the regular shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. Cash on delivery facility available all over India. Okay, with COD processing charges 100 rupees extra to the total product and the total shipping charges. Okay, so these are the collections I have for today. Please like and follow my page so that you can get regular updates. So keep watching. Thanks for all your support. Have a great weekend. Okay, bye bye.